It has been a bloody weekend along the popular Holland Bamboo Main Road in St. Elizabeth. 4 people died in 2 separate motor vehicle collisions in less than 24 hours. It has renewed calls for drivers to cut their speed and exercise caution when traveling along the road, which is known for its bumpy surface. Here's TVJ's Kalisha Williams with that story.
A night of partying turned sour for 22-year-old Andrew Stevens and 23-year-old Jermaine Blair. Both men were traveling in this car along the Holland Bamboo Main Road sometime after 11 o'clock Friday night, when it's said the driver lost control of the vehicle and crashed into this minibus.
Young youth them. So I look to see more from them. One just have all in look at that, and in that not in 1 year old yet.
One of the victims' cousin, Roger Boyd, said the men bought him a drink at a party shortly before the accident. That celebration now their last moments together.
And when I reach my yard, I say they're dead in a Holland Bamboo. And I really reach the Bamboo and see man then dead. Can't believe say I go down a Bamboo to see my cousin. Dead within 2 years them up in. Man dead with their mouth up in. Feel it.
The occupants of the minibus were taken to the hospital by the police. However, their injuries are not considered life-threatening. On Saturday, people again gathered at Holland Bamboo. But it wasn't to capture images of the popular tourist spot as people usually do. It was the scene of another crash. 2 persons died, just meters away from where Andrew Stevens and Jermaine Blair met their demise hours earlier. And the circumstances are similar. It's understood that the victims, 28-year-old Nickel South and another man, were traveling along the main road when the motor vehicle crashed into this minibus transporting members of the Bible Way Apostolic Church. This time, 5 persons in the minibus were taken to hospital for treatment. Meanwhile, head of the JCF's Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Assistant Commissioner of Police Calvin Allen, says speeding may have been a factor in both incidents, but further investigation is needed.
Our analysis of this collision is showing that speeding might very well be a factor. It is early days yet, but we are still doing deeper analysis of that collision. However, the Holland Bamboo Main Road is one of those roads where, because of the different contours of the road surface, it requires for persons to drive with far greater care, drive within the prescribed speed limit, and remain alert. I'm appealing to all drivers to be far more careful along the Holland Bamboo Main Road and even the other corridors within that space.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.